What?
There you go. Good shot.
Ooh.
There you go. Good job. Good job.
Charlie. Hey Randy, what makes the grass grow?
Again. Bring it down. All right, that's good. Another good. Go ahead.
You got it.
Oh yeah. Stay. Porta potty.
Fucking cold, boy.
Yeah.
Put your little pot right over there and piss.
Right back here. I'm gonna go take this. Alright, bring the small cab to the right. Single cab. Good job. Good job.
There's 9 bullets each in cases, man.
Put the bolt back, right? Probably back forward.
Keep the bolt back. Push the thing back up.
Oh, okay.
Trailer and the other 2 jump piles, right? You drop the barrel, or you just pull the bolt back, and
It'll latch.
the latch and the rod will go back up. They put the ammo on, fire it. The bolt goes forward, it fires.
Okay. What about when you clear it at the end? You just fucking bring it back. Right. You don't bring the bolt forward though.
Well, you can do it. Don't make no difference.
Alright, this time. The car. Oh, yeah. Right. You hit it though.
So how I'm on again, one more time. Quit recording, man.
Nah.
No.
I'm eating already. God.
He is. Watch don't get caught in the feed tray. You may just get fired down range.
Yeah, that one. Alright. Yeah, next one. Next one? Next one. There you go.
Come on now. Let's hear some smart-ass remarks, man. Shut up, you inbred fuck. How's that? Hey, that was a good one, man.
You gonna show this tape to your mom? No, are you?
Huh? What?
Do I'm not gonna swear on it.
No. Go ahead, slam. Slam on Pig Newton over there.
I would, but you're from Tennessee. It's a lot of fun.
Fuck you.
500 yards out.
What a struggle, what a struggle.
Alright, you see the 3 small junk piles, not the trailers, but those 3 tiny junk piles.
Simultaneously?
2 bursts into each one of them.
Okay.
Okay. Duck call. I want to hear 6, 2, 9. Not 4, 2, 5.
Balls out of your first.
2, 9.
Yeah. Yeah. That's better. Oh, well. There you go. Load 'em up. Here we go. Yeehaw.
The interview afterwards.
I'm bad as a motherfucker.
Are you bad?
Hell yeah. I'm fucking.
I believe you.
Is it off? No? Where? Here? 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 Here?
Right there, man.
Right here?
Right, yeah, right there. There you go, all right.
If I just take it to beer.
Hey, Bob.
What happened?
The spring was stuck on the outride, about this big, and flying up in the air.
Great.
Damn.
All right, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yeah. Was foul.
I just call him no name anyway. Huh? Just call him no name anyway. No name. Who are you, Ren? What do you think about this?
Oh, it was thrilling. I'd do it again and again.
Surprised you don't have any dirt marks on you. My fault.
Sure AG sucks.
Shit.
Found Out doesn't know how to load ammo.
No, he doesn't. Pouch trying to learn how to load ammo. Fucking cold as hell out here too.
Alright, let's try it again. Way off.
Just sit out.
You're way off to the right of it. See that trailer right there?
Right in front of me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That long trailer.
That's what I'm aiming at.
Oh, well, you're not hitting it.
Okay.
Hey,
Yo, mate!
put that latch.
Don't lie, I got you on film.
You can bet it.
Oh, hold up.
Upside down.
They don't
Idiot.
charge you get that way.
In my house.
And I got you on film, punk.
Through that hole. There you go. All right, let's try it again. Now this time, if you don't hit it, it's your fault.
All right. Well,
6 to 9. Oh, you're way to the right, man. Are you shooting at that cab on purpose?
didn't you tell me a cab?
I told you the long trailer. Well, you hit the cab though. That's
what I was aiming at.
All right, hey, you hit it.
There we
6
go.
to 9 round burst. There. Go high. Walk him in. There you go. Good job.
God, that's loud. Okay.
Is Cam.
The old man of the flight.
His came
He's not really old. He stepped on nuclear waste.
Did y'all do some with phones?
Huh?
Give me one that works, Terry.
Alright. Now we go for the car.
Keep the last 5 minutes on him before he starts crying. Alright.
Alright, put her on about 9. Yeah. Don't touch that barrel.
He said it was stolen. No one else said that. He gave it to him.
Doc paid for 2 pay periods.
Oh, yeah. He would have got to it. 6 to 9 round burst. Alright, that's alright. Pull it back. And now she's set in there good. Keep the fire now. Ah. Alright. There you go. Now 6 to 9. Or 6 to 9.
Who the hell? Ooh. Don't worry, Fats, I'll get you on tape blowing your face off.
Go ahead and rod it. Sure. I had to mention that my gun was firing great. Had to say it.